Okie dokie, it's the day after all the storms and my little hike. And Jaquito! I'm pretty sure it's my Jaquito jacket. Oh crap. So, yeah, it is. What condition it's in, I've no bloody idea. But, yay! It's back. And it's full of water. Well, it is waterproof, so yes, it is full of water. So yeah, jacket has been reclaimed. Seems to be okay actually. I've just been bitten. Fuck. I mean, I'm actually pretty much all the way at the top of the hill. It's blowing a fucking gale. Of course, if it was gale blowing something else, that'd be a Coronation reference from 30 years ago. I'm still scouting for a location. The thing about this trench down here, it's not too bad looking, but it's too visible on this track. You know, I've only ever seen people on the mountain bikes coming down here, not just walking around. So I might pop down there and have a look in a minute. It's just this is still sheep territory, as you can tell. So what I might do is down there, that's a footpath. There, too green. When it's that green over there, too many bugs. So that, yeah. I mean, I'm still scouting for a location. Location. You do know the reason why you say things 3 times. It's all part of this Jewish thing to prove that you've been brainwashed by them. Because they've been doing it in their movies and media for 100 years. And where they get you to say things 3 times, and then when you do it, you say it. Ha ha! Hey! Our brainwashing, it works. Whether it's knock, 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 location, or tapping your heels together 3 times, like they did 90 years ago in The Wizard of Oz. That's an interesting thing, that Wizard of Oz. Originally, her age was listed at 25 when she starred in that movie. Then they changed it to make her a teenager. The actual age of, what was her name? The actress who played Dorothy Gale was 13. Massive tits, but she was 13. So yeah, they kept fluffing her back with her age. It's a bit on the windy side. Happy trees swaying in the breeze. Which reminds me of, if the audio is actually fucking recording, half the videos I made Saturday night didn't record audio, because it's a fucking American Jewish phone, you bastard Motorola. Anyway, this reminds me of a little sing-song bit in Lex. Come, join with us, da-ba-da-da-dee, la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la. It's where they meet Oberon, the fucking gay fairy, and his midget wife bloke, and they turn into trees and things. Must binge watch Lex at some point. Tissues on standby, because it's very sad. Yeah, no idea what that is. Mushroom of some kind, just can't get any closer though, it's too dodgy.